A very good morning to all. I am Abhijit Kaur Saharan. My dear students, before the starting of AV assignment, we are taking a pledge. You may speak with me in loud voice. Let's we start the pledge. I am Abhijit Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash our hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. After the taking of pledge, now we are doing English 1. We will proceed our topic, nouns. We have already done this concept and section B, proper noun and common nouns. Now we just underline the concept and find out is a common noun and is a proper noun. First example has been done for you. Mukul is my brother. Here Mukul is proper noun. Brother is a common noun. In the second point, my mother read the Indian Express every day. Just underline the nouns. First identify the nouns, mother and the Indian Express. Now you have to mention which one is proper noun and a common noun. Proper noun is the Indian Express. Right here, the Indian Express is a proper noun. And the next is mother. Mother is a common noun. In the third point, Dolly was feeding the birds. Underline the nouns, Dolly and birds. Both are the nouns and find out which one is proper noun. Dolly. Yes, very good. Dolly is a proper noun. And the next is birds. Birds are common nouns. Write birds, common noun. The next fourth point, the little girl was playing with her dog Caesar. Find out which one is common noun. Girl, boy and Caesar. Caesar is a proper noun. Boy and girl is a common noun. Right here, Caesar. Caesar is proper noun. The next is girl and boy is common noun. In the fifth point, Patna is the capital of Bihar. Underline the nouns. Patna, capital, and Bihar. And which one is common noun? Capital. Capital is a common noun. Patna and Bihar is a proper noun. Right here, Patna and Bihar is a proper noun. And the last is capital. Capital is a common noun. In the sixth point, Delhi is a big city. Underline the nouns. Delhi, yes, very good, and city. Delhi is a proper noun. City is a common noun. Yes, very good, bache. Right here, Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. And city is a common noun. The seventh point, the Nile is a river in Egypt. Underline the nouns. Nile, river, and Egypt. Nile is a proper noun. River is a common noun. Egypt is a proper noun. Nile and Egypt is proper noun. And river, common noun. In the eighth point, we went to the zoo in Guwahati. We went to the zoo in Guwahati. Underline the nouns. Zoo and Guwahati. Zoo is a common noun. Guwahati is a proper noun. Right here, Guwahati. Guwahati is a proper noun. And zoo is a common noun. In the ninth point, Sheila was playing with her toys. Underline the nouns. Sheila, yes, very good, and toys. Sheila is a proper noun. Toys are common nouns. Right here, Sheila. Sheila is a proper noun. And toy or toys are common noun. And the 10th point, I went to Pacific Mall to buy a dress. Underline the nouns. Pacific Mall and dress. Pacific Mall is proper noun. Dress is a common noun. Right here, Pacific Mall. Pacific Mall is a proper noun. Dress is a common noun. In the 11th point, they watched a film at Leela Theatre. Underline the nouns film and Leela Theatre. Film is a common noun. Leela Theatre is a proper noun. Right here, Leela Theatre is proper noun and film is common noun. And the last 12th, we crossed the Indian Ocean in a ship. Underline the nouns Indian Ocean and ship. Indian Ocean is a proper noun. Ship is a common noun. Right here, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is a proper noun. And ship is a common noun. I hope you will understood that concept. Thank you.